The Sony A7S series has always been known for its excellent low light performance and strong video capabilities. Many content creators and professional videographers rely on this series for their work. With the anticipation of the Sony A7S IV, many rumors have surfaced about what new features and improvements it will bring. In today's video, we will discuss all the latest information regarding the upcoming Sony A7S IV, including its design, features, and expected specifications. So, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. The Sony A7S IV is expected to bring improvements to its design and overall usability. While Sony's A7 series cameras already have a well-built body, the new model may come with slight refinements to make handling more comfortable. The body is likely to be compact yet durable, making it suitable for both photographers and videographers who need a reliable camera for long shooting sessions. Sony has always focused on improving the grip and button layout to make the camera easier to operate, and the A7S IV is expected to continue this trend. The electronic viewfinder, EVF, and rear LCD screen are also expected to see slight improvements. While details about the resolution and specifications of the EVF and display are not clear yet, rumors indicate that Sony is working on providing a clearer and more responsive viewing experience. This will help photographers and videographers compose their shots more effectively and ensure better focus accuracy. One of the biggest rumors about the A7S IV is that it will feature a 20.5 megapixel sensor with an effective resolution of 19 megapixels. This sensor is rumored to be similar to the one used in Sony's FX9 camera, but with a new two-layer transistor design and larger photodiodes. This design is expected to improve low light performance significantly, which has always been a strong point of the A7S series. A stacked sensor is also rumored for the A7S IV, which would allow for much faster readout speeds. A stacked sensor improves the camera's ability to capture fast-moving subjects with minimal rolling shutter distortion. While the camera is not expected to feature a global shutter, the rolling shutter effect is expected to be very low, which is great news for videographers and action photographers. The Sony A7S IV is expected to be a powerhouse for video recording. According to rumors, it will support multiple 6K recording options, including 6K at 120 frames per second, 60 frames per second, 30 frames per second, and 24 frames per second. This will allow videographers to capture extremely detailed footage with smooth motion. Additionally, the camera is rumored to support 4K recording at 120 frames per second, 60 frames per second, 30 frames per second, and 24 frames per second, with the footage being oversampled from 6K. This means that the 4K footage will have better detail and sharpness compared to native 4K recording. A significant addition to the A7S IV is its dual ISO feature, with the second base ISO set at 25x600. This feature is expected to greatly enhance the camera's performance in low light conditions, reducing noise and improving image quality in dark environments. This is especially useful for videographers who often work in challenging lighting conditions and need clean footage without excessive grain. In body image stabilization, IBIS has become an essential feature for modern cameras, and Sony is expected to improve it in the A7S IV. The rumored IBIS system in the A7S IV will provide up to 8 stops of stabilization. This is a major upgrade and will help photographers and videographers capture sharper images and smoother videos, even when shooting handheld. The camera is also expected to feature a dynamic active stabilization mode, which could further enhance stabilization during video recording. Overheating has been a concern in many high-resolution cameras, especially those that record in high frame rates and resolutions for extended periods. The A7S IV is rumored to feature a new radiator system designed to dissipate heat more efficiently. This will help the camera maintain stable performance during long recording sessions, reducing the chances of overheating and shutdowns. Sony has been using the Bioenz XR processor in its recent cameras, so it is unclear whether the A7S IV will feature an upgraded processor or stick with the previous generation. Additionally, there is no information about a dedicated AI chip, which has been included in some of Sony's recent professional cameras. AI-powered features such as subject tracking and autofocus improvements have become common in modern cameras, so it will be interesting to see whether Sony incorporates AI technology in the A7S IV. One of the most discussed aspects of the Sony A7S IV is its expected price. Rumors indicate that the price of the A7S IV will increase slightly compared to the A7S III. The expected price is around $4,000, which is a $500 increase from the previous models. While this increase may seem significant, the improved features and upgraded performance could justify the higher price. As for the release date, Sony has not yet confirmed it. However, some sources indicate that the A7S IV could be released in late 2025 or early 2026. Since these are only speculations, it is best to wait for an official announcement from Sony before making any conclusions. The Sony A7S IV is expected to be a strong competitor in the professional camera market. It is designed to cater to photographers and videographers needing a reliable and high-performing camera for various shooting conditions. With its improved sensor, better low-light performance, and enhanced video capabilities, the A7S IV is likely to be a popular choice among content creators, filmmakers, and professionals. Competition in the full-frame mirrorless camera market is strong, with brands like Canon, Nikon, and Panasonic offering advanced cameras with impressive features. However, Sony has consistently pushed the boundaries of camera technology, and the A7S IV could further solidify its position as a leader in the industry. While the rumored specifications of the Sony A7S IV are exciting, it is important to remember that they are not yet confirmed. If these features turn out to be true, the A7S IV will be a significant upgrade over its predecessor. With its improved sensor, better video capabilities, enhanced image stabilization, and upgraded thermal management, it has the potential to be a game-changer in the camera world. As we wait for Sony's official announcement, photographers and videographers are eagerly anticipating what could be one of the most powerful cameras in the A7S series. Until then, we can only speculate and hope that the rumors turn out to be true. Stay tuned for more updates as new information about the Sony A7S IV emerges. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.